Zomi Mothers Association, Mar Women's Union and Kuki Women's Organization for Human Rights staged protests at Peace Ground in Ccpur district, opposing the plan for the replacement of Assam rifles from vulnerable areas by central forces. The protesters chanted various slogans such as "No Assam rifles, no peace," "Don't remove Assam rifles," "We are safe with you," etc. Speaking to media, spokesperson of Zo Women, Sianhoi Tombing, allegedly questioned whether the central government has succumbed to the pressure of majority Meitei community, or did the Meitei community misinterpret the neutrality of the Assam rifles as impartiality while trying to put Kuki Zomi War community under their dictator directives. The protesters also submitted a memorandum to the Union Home Minister through DC of Ccpur district.
The neutrality role played by the Assam rifle in the current conflict was seen as biased by the Meitei community, as they want the Assam rifle to openly and fully support the Meitei community in their sinister campaign to unhighlight the Kuki Zomi Mar community. Indeed, the Meitei community wants the Assam rifle to act according to their dictates. We, the people of Zomi Kuki Mar community, are not against the deployment of any central force to maintain law and order and restore normalcy. Our demand is simple and straightforward, that if a battalion or two of Assam rifle is withdrawn, it must be replaced with the Assam rifle itself.